Hi guys, today I want to share with you GDX 18V-200. Ready for all applications, thanks to 2-in-1 bit holder, 1/4 internal hex and square drive. Powerful use even in hard to reach areas. Thanks to best head length to torque ratio, Bluetooth connectivity module for tool feedback, soft start and service information via mobile device. Technical data additional data battery voltage 18.0 torque. Max 200 Nm and load speed 0 to 3400 or tool holder 1/2 square. 1/4 hex and load speed first level 0 to 100 RPM and load speed second level 0 to 2300 RPM and load speed third level 0 to 3400 or torque settings. 3-weight expo, battery 1.2 kg.